In today's video, we are going to appreciate different makeup brands. These are my personal favorite makeup brands and their products are so high quality. I just love their formula and I think every single person can use their products. These are just amazing formula and I am going to talk about some of their products, some of these brands. We always talk about makeup products, but today's video is going to be a little bit different, a little bit about some makeup brands that you should try and I will definitely recommend. We have so many makeup brands currently in the market and it's very natural to get confused about which brand to try or which brand to trust. I will say these are my recommendations and I can guarantee that these brands will not disappoint you at all. So do try these products and yeah, definitely let me know your thoughts. I am going to do a full face using these amazing products from these amazing brands. Let's get started. Okay, so the first brand is very underrated. I think you haven't even heard about this brand. This is from Dow and these are some of their amazing products. They have some other products as well, but I do have their skin tint and their concealer, also a beautiful brush which I'm obsessed with. I won't really talk about this brand, so today I'm gonna introduce you to this amazing formula of this skin tint. This is called Dow Hue Drops, which is a sheer tint. This is a 30 ml product and first of all, this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't it so beautiful? It's like a very chic, very beautiful type of a packaging. Just shake it really well and you can definitely listen to the watery sound. This is very sheer, very watery, something for your everyday makeup. If you want just a tiny layer of something on your skin, this is the perfect product for you. You can just see how runny this product is. I just don't want to get this all over my t-shirt. Very runny and just look at this finish. The shade of this product is a little bit yellow for me. This skin tint blends so beautifully and it looks so amazing on my skin. Just look at that finish, gives you a perfect amount of coverage that you need, plus it is just so perfect for your everyday makeup. You can hear the birds singing because my garden is right. It's so beautiful, like it covers up your face perfectly but in a right amount. Formula is never going to be too much. It is never going to look cakey because it is the most sheer skin tint that I have in my collection. And we do have so many skin tints currently in India, but I will say this is a very unique product and they have some amazing shade range as well. With a brush like this, it works so well. I mean, you can even travel with this brush and you are good to go. Next, I'm going to use the Dow concealer and this is a really good concealer, very full coverage, does not look cakey. So this is what it looks like. The concealer shade is so perfect for my skin tone and it's such a beautiful, breathable type of a formula and does not make your under eye look dry or cakey. This brand is super underrated and I just love how they just maintain the formula. So my base makeup is done with these amazing products from Dow. Let's move on to our eye makeup. And the next brand that I'm going to mention is K-Beauty. K-Beauty is my personal favorite brand and I recommend K-Beauty products a lot. On my channel, on YouTube, or if you talk about Instagram, everywhere I just love K-Beauty products. Their products are so thoughtfully made and they just work so well for every single skin tone. Every single product from K-Beauty is my personal favorite. I'm not gonna lie, I just love their products so much. But currently I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette from K-Beauty. This is the Beauty Eye Canvas Discover eyeshadow palette in the shade Embrace. Now definitely this is a very basic type of eyeshadow palette and you can get these colors anywhere you want, like in affordable price as well. So you may say, what is unique about this particular formula? the formula is actually very unique. So this particular shimmer shade is my favorite, and you guys can see how much I have used it. This is my perfect everyday eyeshadow palette. Like whenever I'm going out somewhere, I just love using this pale pink or this beautiful pale beige shade. And this shimmer shade is so stunning. It just melts, and it's the most soft sheer pink type of a glitter. It is just amazing. I'm just gonna grab my eyeshadow brush, and I just love how this eyeshadow palette works. Like if you are new to eyeshadows, and if you want a good eyeshadow palette, you just don't want to play with colors, just want eyeshadow palette for, you know, just one single eyeshadow palette which you can use for anything, I think this is the palette. This is such a beautiful palette. The matte shades are literally like butter. I also worked with K-Beauty before, and I just love this brand so much. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. My personal favorite eyeshadow palette, and I use this a lot, and that is the reason I am just mentioning it. If you try products from K-Beauty, you will not be disappointed. Just look at that beautiful shimmer shade. I'm just using it all over my eyelid just as eyeshadow topper. This is a beautiful eyeshadow topper. It looks so gorgeous. Not too much, because I know eyeshadows are very overrated and no one really use eyeshadow palettes that much. I also stopped purchasing eyeshadow palettes. I want something like this, which is very compact, very minimal, gives a beautiful finish. Just look at this minimal eye makeup look. You don't even need any technique for this eye makeup look. Just the matte shade, and on top of that use the shimmer shade, and you're good to go. It is so perfect. They have some other shades as well, but this particular one called Embrace is my favorite. They also have another one which is the smoky one, and some other palettes as well, but this is number one, and it is so good. Like, think about a big eyeshadow palette and you will never end up using it. Is the eyeshadow, and I just love it so much. It's the perfect wet looking eyeshadow, and it is so beautiful. You also get this golden shimmer, but this shimmer is my favorite. Okay, speaking of another brand which is very underrated, no one really talk about Max Factor. Max Factor is a brand which is in this beauty industry for I think years and years before anyone else. If we talk about makeup history, Max Factor is actually a very old vintage brand, and their products are beautiful. Like, their products are curated beautifully. There was a time when Max Factor was like a top beauty brand, and it was loved by so many women, so many people. They still do have some amazing makeup products. My personal and recent favorite is this mascara. This is Max Factor 2000 calorie waterproof volume mascara. This is really good. I do have many favorites from Max Factor, but this is the one I'm currently loving. I also love this eyeshadow stick from Max Factor. It is so unique. Why this is unique, I'm just gonna show you guys. This is eyeshadow stick, and just look at this color. These are super long lasting and very beautiful. This is like a duochrome pink shade. I don't know how much you can see, but it is so beautiful. Gives you that Tinkerbell type of eye makeup. And yeah, I'm just gonna use this mascara. This is what it looks like. If you know me, you guys know I don't really talk about mascaras, because mascara is very personal to me. I have very thin lash, so I just have my specific mascaras. I don't really buy mascaras that much because this is what my eyelash looks like. This is such a beautiful product, and it does not really give you that much volume, but I just love the length that this product gives me. It is so perfect, so beautiful, and definitely do give it a try. I guess you will love it. Mascaras are very personal, and something may work for me, something may not work for you. Hope you guys will like this product. I personally love it and I think it is so beautiful. Okay, now next product definitely will be Mars Cosmetics. Mars Cosmetics, they have some amazing makeup products. They just kill it with their formula, and they give you makeup products at such an affordable price with such good quality, like, you know, formulas. I love this lip and cheek tint from Mars. I know I don't have to tell you guys which product is good from Mars, because you guys know I am a Mars Cosmetics person and I just love their products. I think I have all the products from this brand literally, and I love their lip oils, their lip tints, their lip products actually very good, and especially their eyeshadows. I will say, if you talk about bad products from Mars, I will say the complexion products, the shade range is not that high, but rather than that, they have some amazing makeup products. And one of the amazing makeup products from Mars is this lip and cheek tint, which I just love so much. I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge, and these are very pigmented, so make sure you're using just a little bit. And these are creamy, blendable, gives your cheeks a beautiful glow. Just look at that finish. Does not disturb your foundation. Especially this particular shade is so perfect for Indian skin tone. They have some amazing shade range. They have pinks and corals, reds, so many other shades. But I don't know why this is a very unique shade, and it's like a nude blush. This is in the shade 03, by the way, and it's like a beautiful everyday friendly nude color, which I love. And this is what the blush looks like. Can you just see how flawless my skin looks right now? So I am loving these eyeliners from Mars. These are duochrome eyeliners, and this is what the eyeliner pencil looks like. These are newly launched product from Mars. I love their lip liners. I have all the shades, all the Mars lip liner shades. I have some of their amazing lip oils, which I'm gonna try and I'm gonna make a reel for my Instagram. These are the lip oils I'm loving currently, and some amazing products. I love this one from Mars, which is their God's Glow Illuminator. Oh my god, if you are looking for illuminator, then this is the one for you. It's so affordable but gives you literally Charlotte Tilbury vibes. Looks literally like Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not kidding. I also have the Charlotte Tilbury one, but this is so special, so beautiful. So this is what my skin looks like after using the Mars blush. Let's move on to some other brands. And for my highlighter, I am going to talk about this brand. This brand is also very trendy, and they have some amazing product, which is Charmacy Milano. This brand, they have high quality makeup products, and I recently purchased this highlighter from Charmacy Milano. This is such a beautiful highlighter. It's like Stardust, Pixie Dust type of highlighter, and the name of this highlighter is also Stardust, which is 603. It is so beautiful. Does not look like, does not emphasize my texture. It's just pure pixie dust highlighter. Like, if you want a pink highlighter or maybe a duochrome highlighter, do try this product. Just look at that. I was wearing a pink highlighter for my wedding day and it looked so beautiful. This is the highlighter. Just, I'm in love with this. Everyone is going to look at your cheeks and they're going to say what you have, because you are glowing so beautifully. You can also use this as your eyeshadow. This is a versatile product, and I just love Charmacy Milano as a brand because they have some amazing product at a very good price for Indian skin. Their products are made for Indian skin. They have some amazing curated makeup products which are so perfectly formulated, and they just work really well. So if you are even a professional makeup artist, you will love Charmacy Milano products. Personally, these are the products which are going to be so good if you are a makeup artist or if you just work with makeup. So I will say, just do give this highlighter a try and do give this brand a try. This brand is amazing, and yeah, this is my face. I'm just in love. Whenever I wear this highlighter, I just feel so happy. I don't know why. This is so perfect. I'm just going to remove the lip oil that I have because now it's time for our lips, and we have a lot of product. For my lip liners, another very underrated brand is Color Chemistry, and they have some amazing natural makeup products. Natural makeup products, I mean, these are the products which are free from harmful chemicals. So I have this intense matte kajal, and this is KJ02, which I use as my lip liner. You can also use this as your kajal, but I just love using this as my lip liner. It's a perfect neutral undertone brown color that I need for my makeup. Very creamy, very pigmented, and gives you such a beautiful finish. And this is a kajal, so these are waterproof, smudge proof, and extremely long lasting. So this is, I have two of them because I just love this lip liner so much. Tipsy Beauty is such a great brand. It's so beautiful to see such a small brand. They always come up with some unique makeup products and some beautiful dupes. First of all, I just love these pout polish lip treatments. These are Rhode Lip Peptide dupe. These also contain peptides and collagen, so these are really good for your lips. I'm using this shade called Caramel Toffee, which is a beautiful shade. And first of all, look at this applicator. This metal applicator makes it feel so expensive. Even a nude color like this is super pigmented, and they have some amazing shades. Another one which is like a beautiful brown shade, this is Chocolate Fondant. This is their chocolate shade, and I just love how they feel. Tipsy Beauty, they have so many makeup products. I worked with them before. This brand is beautiful, very thoughtful about their products. They know what they are coming up, and they just know how to beat the market, how to beat the makeup industry. Also, they know what to give to their customers. Beautiful product, beautiful collection, and some amazing formula. So I think you have already tried Tipsy Beauty, because a very known brand, and their products are available on Nykaa, Tira, Amazon, anywhere you want. So if you haven't used this brand yet, do give it a try because they have some amazing dupe. So yeah guys, that's it. This is my finished makeup look. What do you guys think? My makeup is looking so good right now. My makeup is looking so good right now, and I'm just loving how beautiful my skin feels after wearing these amazing brands makeup products. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. This was like a very casual, laid back type of a video, but very interesting and a very good topic to discuss about, because as I already mentioned, there are so many brands in the market. This video will help you which brand to choose. If you have finished the video till now, you know which brand to buy. All the products will be linked in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you want more such videos, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.